So a wallet is essentially an address that holds your cryptocurrency. I'm gonna go to phantom.app and hopefully I can add to Chrome. Cool. Alright, and I'm gonna add to Chrome and I'm gonna add it to, I'm gonna click on add. What it does is it downloads the extension anytime now. Adding to Chrome, and I think it's done. Okay, cool. So yeah, this page will prompt you to create a new wallet, which is what you want to do anyway. So just click on create new wallet and you'll get this secret recovery phrase. Do not share it with anyone at all. I'm only sharing it and on screen right now is because this wallet is not like something I'm gonna use anyway. So this wallet, don't even copy it. If the best way is you write it down on a piece of paper. Write this down on a piece of paper. Don't copy it if you don't trust your computer's security. So write it down, whatever you have on your screen. Snapping a picture is okay because it's not in text form, but if your phone is you know, like hacked or anything and they see that picture, they're gonna try importing to their own wallet. Yeah, and then they'll access whatever cryptocurrency you have inside or whatever NFTs you have minted inside. Yeah, to show you what it'll be, what it can be used for, I'll copy it. Okay, I saved it somewhere. Okay, so create a password. So for this one, since this wallet is just gonna be used for demonstration, I'm gonna use a very weak password. I agree. Okay, so this Alt-Shift-P means you can open it anytime. You need to use the extension to look at your wallet and how much money you have inside, etc. So you can use Alt-Shift-P, or you can also click on the extension here and pin it. So you can pin it and then it'll show up here, and you will be able to have it in your browser anytime when you need it. So you can continue. There you go, you're done. You have a wallet now. So that address you can give to people and say, hey, send me some Solana. That's how easy it is to create a wallet. And you can copy this is where your wallet address is. So this is safe to be shared. This is safe to be shared because this public address is where people can send money to, Solana to. So that is public, and you can click around, but there's not much you can do at this point because you have $0 here, or zero Solana. And when you click on this collectibles tab, this is where you'll see your noses when you finally mint them next week. And this is what's this? Oh, okay. So this is like buying some other currency, and this is where you see your recent activities. And okay, let me see if I can add a wallet. Alright, if I have my code earlier, pretend that I'm on another computer right now, right? So I will be clicking on this. I'll be clicking on add or connect a wallet. So I'll be clicking on add a wallet. What I will do is I will be importing a private key. Actually, no, wait. How do I use secret recovery phrase? Okay, maybe that's if I don't have any wallet, but your secret recovery phrase can be used to get into your wallet on a separate computer or a different what's that called? Different browser. Yeah. So there you go. That's how you use this app. But one other thing you want to know is how to load Solana, right? How to add money into your wallet before you can buy the NFTs. So what you want to do is you can use deposit. Okay, this is the easiest way, but it could be a little bit more expensive depending on like the currency exchange and everything like that. So click on deposit. You can use buy with Moonpay. I have checked the rates and actually it's not that bad, because if you want to do it from other places like buying from Luno or Binance, that's also doable. But if you want to buy here, it's also okay, with the caveat of you need to do KYC, meaning know your customer. You need to verify your ID, your address, your phone number, etc., etc., for safety purposes, like to make sure you can't launder money or do scams and stuff like that. So you can write in the Solana amount if you want a Solana amount. So let's say you're preparing to buy 3 noses, for example, and you're whitelisted. So that's 0.3 per nose, and you want to buy 3 noses, that would be 0.9, right? And then you want to have some extra Solana to pay for like the gas fees and minting fee and whatever. So I think it's safe to go put in 1.5 Solana, and that's about $182. That's if you want 3 noses. If you want just 1 nose, I think it's safe to go in with 0.5 Solana just to be safe. Yeah. Click on that and click on continue, and you have to sign up and put in your email and everything to pay for your Solana. So this is one way. You can use the buy with Moonpay here, or the way that I'm doing it is I'm using Luno. So if you don't have a Luno account, let me know. I'll send you a link with my referral, so we both get some money. So you can click on create account. All right, you can click on create account and sign up for an account. So I won't talk about this part. You can create your account, and then you can buy. So first of all, you need to load this Luno account with your currency, if it's SGD or MYR. So you buy it, and then after that, you can send with your wallet on Luno. You can send your it's not gonna be Solana. It's not gonna be Solana. So you will be able to buy BTC, ETH, or XRP, and Bitcoin Cash. So what I like to do is I use XRP because of also the lower fee. I like to use XRP, lower fee, and also faster transfer, right? So load some XRPs into your wallet and then send it over to... There are also 2 ways to do it, but if you don't already have Binance, which is an exchange, it is a cryptocurrency exchange, you can send your XRP from Luno to Binance, and then in Binance you can do a convert, right? Click on convert, and you can say, hey, I have this much XRP, so you put in, I want to change my XRP into Solana. No, is it Solana straight? Can I? Yeah, you can exchange it here, right? So after you have your Solana in this wallet, then you need to withdraw. So this step I don't recommend, because this step takes a lot of work. You need to set up your Binance, you need to set up your Luno, you need to set up a lot of things. So if you don't want all that hassle, you can just set up your wallet and then use Moonpay to buy Solana directly from Moonpay. That's one way. The other way that's one step less, which is to still use Luno, because you might need Luno in the future to withdraw your funds anyway. So if you want to get it back in SGD maybe, or MYR, you still need Luno, which is one of the more legitimate ways to do it. There are other ways that I won't talk about, but this is the most legit way to actually take your money out from your cryptocurrency wallet that I know of. I'm pretty sure there are many other ways. So I would set up a Luno account. I'll put money in here, and then with the amount of whatever XRP I have, I will transfer this amount to SideShift. So I will say I'll change this to XRP to Solana. So the good thing is you just put your own Solana address here. So you'll just be able to put your own Solana address here. And when you send XRP, so let me put in my address earlier. So what I'll need to do is actually just send XRP to this address. Unfortunately, I can't show the user interface for sending money, but it will be on your app on your phone. So you'll be able to use your app to scan the QR code on the screen, and then you'll be able to send XRP to this address. So when sending XRP, you'll be able to also say how much you want to send. Or you can use this calculator here if you use a fixed rate, because you get to type how much you want to load. Let's say earlier you wanted to load 0.5 Solana, for example, right? You wanted to load 0.5 Solana. It will tell you to send 100 XRP. So that's all you need to know. Put in your Solana address, come to this page again. This kicks off an order, and then you'll just send XRP from your mobile app. You scan this QR code. You need to type in the tag and the address, double check it, make sure everything is correct, and then just send it. And then you just have to wait on this screen, and once it's done, you can open your Solana wallet, and you'll be able to see that money is in here. Okay, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of things you might have missed. So when it comes to time we do this again, or when it comes to time when it comes time when we need to mint or anything, we will show the steps again, okay, if you're still confused. But first of all, when you have your Phantom wallet set up, you already had a wallet address. That's the first step. The second thing you need to know is there's an easy way to load, which is just signing up for Moonpay and paying with Moonpay. I think for beginners who don't want to think too much or like go through too many steps, just use this, deposit, and buy with Moonpay. It's as easy as this. Just say I need like 0.5 Solana. So you can click on this to change it to Solana. I need 0.5. And continue, type in everything and pay for it, and then you'll see that you have money in your wallet. So Forrest, who's in this call right now, has already received money because they won money from they won some Solana from the contest. So they have already known how this looks like. But if you want to load more Solana, you need to use deposit and buy with Moonpay. There are also a lot of other ways that I'm not going to cover. But the other way that I can tell you is the Luno way, which will allow you a path to withdraw your funds later on when you want to do that. Yeah. But if you have any questions at all at any time of your journey, into this cryptocurrency world, please just ask it anywhere. People will help. I will help. So yeah, this is how we load Solana. Yeah.